I'm Dr. W.B. Gungale from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter, that is second unit, stereochemistry of organic compounds. And in this case, as we know, what is isomer? Isomers are the compound which have same molecular formula but have different structures. And there are different types of isomerism in the organic compounds, and mainly there are two types. One is the structural isomer and second is the stereoisomers. And structural isomers are the isomers which have same molecular formula but have different structures, that is the arrangement of atoms. And depending upon that, structural isomers are there are 6 types. Number 1 is the chain isomers, position isomer, functional isomer, open or chain ring isomerism, and also metamerism. And the last one is that we can say that so these are the 6 isomers. And also stereoisomers are 2 types, geometrical and optical isomers, and also some other conformations. So all these different types of isomerism that we are going to discuss in today's presentation. So the topic is the stereochemistry of organic compounds. This is the part 1, and in this part we are going to discuss the concept of isomerism, types of isomerism, and structural isomerism, different types of structural isomerism. So what is concept of isomerism? So we can say that one of the important characteristics of the organic compound is their ability to form or to show the isomerism. As we know, what is isomer? Isomer are the compounds which have the same molecular formula but have different structures or different properties, and therefore this difference in the properties of isomer is because of the relative arrangement of atoms are different in the different molecules. For example, we can say here this is 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. Formula is same. In both the case, number of atoms are same. And but this is here the chloro, that is substituent, Cl is present on the 1 carbon. Here Cl is present on the 2nd carbon. So this 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane are the isomer of isomers, and therefore this process or this phenomena is known as the isomerism. So this is the concept of isomerism, that is what is isomer. Different types of isomers are there, and here this is the one example, 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. So here in both the case have the same molecular formula, number of carbon atoms, number of hydrogen atoms, and Cl are equal. Only the here Cl is on 1 carbon, here Cl is on carbon 2. Therefore it is known as 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. Now there are also different types of isomerism, isomers, and there are mainly 2 types of isomer. And first is the structural isomer, second is the stereoisomer, and the structural isomers are shown here in this slide. So isomerism mainly structural and stereo, and structural isomers are 6 types: chain isomers, position, functional, metamerism, ring chain, and tautomerism. Stereoisomers are mainly 2, and shown here 3: geometrical, optical isomerism, and rotational isomerism, which is also known as conformations. So mainly there are 2, and now today we are discussing one by one what is structural isomers and what are the different types of structural isomerism. So structural isomers are those which have same molecular formula but have different arrangement of the atoms or these different structures, that is arrangement of atom in the molecule. So depending upon that, there are 6 types. So compound having same molecular formula but have different structures, that is the different arrangement of atom in the molecule, are known as the structural isomers, and this phenomena is known as the structural isomerism. And these structural isomers are of 6 types that we have seen. And now first one is the chain isomerism. So what is chain or nuclear isomerism? We can say that compound which have same molecular formula but have different arrangement of carbon chain, or also we can say that the compound which have same molecular formula, or we can say in other words 2 or more organic compound having same molecular formula but they differ in structural formula due to different nature of alkyl chain. These are known as chain isomers, and the phenomena is known as chain isomerism. So this is what is chain isomer. Chain isomers are those compound, that is the compounds which have same molecular formula but different arrangement of carbon chain. Or in other words, also we can say that two or more compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula due to the different nature of alkyl chain, and this is known as the chain isomer, and the phenomena is known as chain isomerism. It is clear from the example. तो इसमें एग्जाम्पल है, दिस ये एक पहला एग्जाम्पल है, सेकंड एग्जाम्पल है, थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में दिया है कंपाउंड C4H10, नेम इज द ब्यूटेन. एंड ब्यूटेन को दो टाइप से दिखा सकते हैं. यहाँ पे ब्यूटेन है 1 2 3 4 कार्बन, दिस इज एन ब्यूटेन, प्राइमरी है. और ये देखो इसमें जितने कार्बन है 4 कार्बन है और हाइड्रोजन आर 10. सो दिस इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला C4H10. ये दोनों कंपाउंड है, उसके आइसोमर्स है ये, इन दोनों भी कंपाउंड में भी उसका फार्मूला जो है C4H10 है. इसमें भी C4 और H10 है, दोनों का फार्मूला सेम है. बट हियर द अरेंजमेंट इज हियर of alkyl group or carbon are in one line, that is the only one chain is there. Here is a branch but the number of atoms are same. So this is the N-butane and this is isobutane. Or butane simply, and this is the 2-methyl propane. ये प्रोपेन चेन है 1 2 3, 2 पे क्या है मिथिल ग्रुप है, इसलिए 2 methyl propane. तो दिस इज द एग्जांपल C4H10, ये पहला एग्जांपल है. एंड सिमिलरली नाउ another example C5H12 represent 3 chain isomer. ये जो पेंटेन है, ये फार्मूला मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला पेंटेन का, ये पेंटेन का फार्मूला है ये पहला एन पेंटेन. ऑल द चेन अल्किल ग्रुप्स आर इन लीनियर चेन, स्ट्रेट चेन. तो ये एन 5 कार्बन है पेंटेन, उसका नाम है एन पेंटेन. और दूसरा जो है आइसोपेंटेन, उसका नाम है ये देखो 1 2 3 4, एंड 2 कार्बन पर क्या है 1 2 पे मिथिल, सो 2 मिथिल ब्यूटेन, एंड उसका दूसरा नाम है आइसोपेंटेन. तीसरा कंपाउंड स्ट्रक्चर है 2 डाइमिथिल प्रोपेन, यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर है, इसका कॉमन नेम है नियोपेंटेन. तो दीज आर द 3 आइसोमर्स ऑफ पेंटेन. इन द सिमिलर वे हियर इज द हेक्सेन C6H14 represent 5 different isomers, chain isomers. This is the straight chain of hexane known as the N-hexane. This is isohexane, 2 carbon have methyl, therefore it is known as 2-methyl pentane. And this is 3-methyl pentane, so this is having another structure. So in this way 2-methyl pentane, 3-methyl pentane, or in N-hexane, all these structure have same formula but they differ in the structures and in their chain or alkyl groups. So chain of alkyl groups are different. This is branch and this is straight, and therefore butane, pentane, hexane show isomerism, which is known as chain isomerism, because they have same formula but have different, उनका जो arrangement है they are different, that is structures are different. alkyl group जो arrangement है that is different. Second example, second type है position isomerism. Position isomerism are the compound, we can say that 2 or more compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula due to different position of substituent or alkyl group. So alkyl group या substituent जो भी होगा उसका जो position है that is different. Or in other words, so we can say that compound which have the same structure of the carbon chain but differ only in the position of multiple bond, that is multiple bond means double or triple bond, or the functional group, position of functional groups are different, which is known as the position isomer, and the phenomena is known as position isomerism. फिर से एक बार बताता हूँ, what is the compound have same structural formula or same formula but they differ only in the position of multiple bond or the functional group, and therefore such isomers are known as position isomer, and the phenomena is known as position isomerism. एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर हो जाएगा इसमें. तो एग्जाम्पल है, ये है ब्यूटीन, 1 ब्यूटीन, और इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं ब्यूट 1 इन, मतलब EN ही मतलब डबल बॉन्ड, कौन से कार्बन पर है 1, तो यहाँ से नंबर किया है 1 2 3 4, तो कार्बन नंबर 1 पे क्या है डबल बॉन्ड. इसमें क्या है 2 ब्यूटीन, यहाँ पे क्या है ये डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे है सेकंड कार्बन पर है, बट नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन आर सेम. So these are the two isomers of the butane. This is 1 butane, this is 2 butane. तो डबल बॉन्ड की पोजीशन यहाँ पे 1 पर है, यहाँ पे 2 पर है. तो इन दिस वे दिस पोजीशन isomerism. So double bond, multiple bond or the functional group, they show the different position. The chain are same, they have the same structure, they have same formula, but the function position of functional group, position of multiple bonds are different. तो ये पहला एग्जांपल हो गया. सेकंड लाइकवाइज 1 ब्यूटाइन, ब्यूटाइन 4 कार्बन है, 1 ब्यूटाइन 2 ब्यूटाइन, ये जैसा दिखा था वैसा यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है, वाइनी मतलब ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, ये कार्बन नंबर 1 पर है, यहाँ पे कार्बन नंबर 2 पर है. तो 1 ब्यूटाइन 2 ब्यूटाइन. Similarly we can also write the example of but13-diene, 13-butadiene, उसका दूसरा नाम है 13-butadiene. तो इसमें ये पोजीशन जो है इसमें भी दो स्ट्रक्चर दिखा है इसमें. तो ब्यूट 1,3-डाइन, मतलब ये जो डबल बॉन्ड है ये कौन से पोजीशन पर है 1 और 3 पे है. ये ब्यूटेन है 4 कार्बन इसलिए ब्यूट, और 1 और 3 पे क्या है डाई मतलब 2, ENE मतलब डबल बॉन्ड. तो 1 और 3 पर क्या है डबल बॉन्ड. यहाँ पे 1-2 पोजीशन पर डबल बॉन्ड है, 1 और ये 2 पर, इसलिए 1,2-डाइन, ये 1,3-डाइन. फॉर्मूला इज सेम, ओनली द पोजीशन ऑफ 2 डबल बॉन्ड्स आर डिफरेंट, 1-3 पोजीशन and 1-2 position. In the same way, now functional group here is different, having the different position. ये है N-propyl अल्कोहल, ये है आइसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहल. अल्कोहल का फंक्शनल ग्रुप पता है आपको OH. तो ये OH कौन से कार्बन पर है 1, यहाँ पे OH कौन से कार्बन पर है 2. तो पोजिशन आर डिफरेंट. अल्कोहल फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट ऑन 1 कार्बन और यहाँ पे है कार्बन नंबर 2. सो फॉर्मूला इज सेम. दिस propanol have position of functional group OH is different. In first case it is on 1 carbon, here it is on the second carbon. So formula is same but the position of functional groups are different. So such type of isomers are known as position isomer and the phenomena is known as position isomerism. So ये अलग अलग different examples है इसमें. और वन मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म, ये आप लोगों को पता ही है, आर्थो मेटा पैरा. 2 CH3 ग्रुप है तो उसको बोलते हैं जाइलिन. आर्थो है, ये मेटा जाइलिन और ये पैरा जाइलिन. सो पोजीशंस फॉर्मूला इज सेम, ऑल द 3 डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स आर देयर. पोजीशंस आर आर्थो मेटा एंड पैरा. सो सच आइसोमर्स आर कॉल्ड पोजीशन आइसोमेरिज्म. थर्ड एग्जांपल है, थर्ड टाइप है फंक्शनल आइसोमेरिज्म. तो इसमें कंपाउंड हैव सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला but they have different functional groups. फंक्शनल ग्रुप ही अलग है, फार्मूला सेम है बट फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है डिफरेंट है. फिर से एक बार बताता हूँ, देखो इसमें कंपाउंड विच हैव सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, जो कंपाउंड है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड उनका फार्मूला सेम है बट दे हैव डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स. सच आइसोमर्स आर नोन एज फंक्शनल आइसोमर एंड द फिनोमेना इज नोन एज द फंक्शनल आइसोमेरिज्म. देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट 2 or more organic compound which have same molecular formula but different structural formula due to the different nature of functional group, these are known as functional isomers. So here it is also clear from the example. तो यहाँ पे example दिया है, formula है molecular formula of the compound C2H6O and this formula shows 2 isomer. तो ये देखो CH3 CH2OH, इसका नाम है इथेनॉल और इथिल अल्कोहल. इसी को अपन ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं CH3O CH3 मिथॉक्सी मीथेन, ये मिथॉक्सी मीथेन और डाइमिथिल ईथर, डाइमिथिल ईथर. इसमें फंक्शन ग्रुप है OH, इसमें फंक्शन ग्रुप है ईथर. फार्मूला सेम है C2H6O, लेकिन यहाँ पे फंक्शन ग्रुप है ईथर, यहाँ पे है अल्कोहल. तो फंक्शन ग्रुप्स आर डिफरेंट. मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला इज सेम बट दे हैव डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप. So such isomers are known as the functional isomer. Another example इसमें दूसरा है C3H6O and they show these are the isomers. So here CH3CO CH3, what is the acetone, common name propanone, ketone, and here it also be shown in this way CH3 CH2 COH, this is CHO aldehyde propanol, 3 carbons are there, propane propanol. तो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है, यहाँ पे कीटोनिक ग्रुप है. ये दूसरा एक एग्जांपल दिया है इसमें CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH CH2OH. प्रोपेन 3 कार्बन है, 2 ENE 2 पर डबल बॉन्ड है, 1 OL 1 पे OH ग्रुप है, तो इसको इस तरह से लिखते हैं प्रोप 2 ENE 1 OL अलील अल्कोहल। और ये मिथॉक्सी इथेन मिथिल विनाइल इथेन मिथिल विनाइल ईथर, तो यहाँ पे फंक्शन ग्रुप फिर से अल्कोहल है और यहाँ पे फंक्शन ग्रुप ईथर है। तो मतलब जिसमें कंपाउंड the compound two or more compound which have same formula, which have same molecular formula but have different functional groups, such isomers are known as functional isomerism. Functional groups are different. One more example, that is ethanoic acid, and this is methyl methanoate, formula is same. This is ketone, what is here, COOH carboxylic acid group, and here is the ester group. So functional groups are different, and therefore first is the carboxylic acid and second is the ester. So these are two functional groups are different, but the formula is same. In case of aldehyde ketone, we have seen the formula is C3H6O. In this case, propanone, this is the formula, acetone, and the second is the propanone. So in this case, this is the ketonic group and this is aldehyde group. So number 4 is the metamerism, and what is metamers? As we know, two or more organic compound having same molecular formula but have different structural formula due to different nature of alkyl group around the polyvalent functional group. Such type of isomers are known as metamers. Again I am repeating, two or more organic compound having same molecular formula but have different structural formula due to different nature of alkyl around the polyvalent functional group. Now in this case, compound have the same molecular formula but have different number of carbon atoms or alkyl group on the either side of the functional group. And functional group, suppose here oxygen on the one side and other side, sulfur, amine, CO, ketonic group are known as the metamer, and the phenomena is known as metamerism. So it is clear from the example, and here example is diethyl ether. देखो ethyl ether, so this is ether is the functional group. तो इसमें दोनों साइड ऑक्सीजन के दोनों साइड में देखो इथिल इथिल है, इसके नाम है डाइथिल ईथर और दूसरा नाम है उसका इथॉक्सी इथेन। एंड मेटामर ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज द, ये देखो प्रोपिल ग्रुप एक साइड में है और मिथिल, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन नंबर ऑफ एटम्स आर इक्वल, only the alkyl groups are on the both the sides are different. Here is methyl and here is propyl. So methyl and propyl ether. In the same way, another structure, isopropyl methyl ether. तो इस टाइप के ये एग्जांपल्स हैं, इसको होते हैं मेटामेरिज्म. Now similar type of isomers are there. In place of oxygen now there is a sulfur. So diethyl thioether. सो ये देखो यहाँ पे नाम है इसका मिथिल एन प्रोपिल थायोईथर, आइसोप्रोपिल मिथिल थायोईथर. अभी सल्फर की जगह क्या है, NH अमीन, तो डाई इथिल अमीन, मिथिल एन प्रोपिल अमीन, आइसोप्रोपिल मिथिल अमीन. सेम है, सिर्फ फंक्शन ग्रुप के दोनों साइड में अल्किल ग्रुप्स आर डिफरेंट. ये कीटोन है तो डाई इथिल कीटोन, ये मिथिल एन प्रोपिल कीटोन, और इसका नाम है आइसोप्रोपिल मिथिल कीटोन. तो यहाँ पे जो है ऑक्सीजन सल्फर अमीन कीटोन ग्रुप, उसके दोनों साइड में अल्किल ग्रुप्स आर डिफरेंट, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ आइसोमर्स आर नोन एज मेटामर, एंड द फिनोमेना इज नोन एज मेटामेरिज्म. Number 5 is the ring chain isomerism, and in case of ring chain isomerism we can say that two or more organic compound having same molecular formula but have different structural formula due to difference in mode of linkage of carbon atom. फिर से एक बार बताता हूँ, two or more organic compound having same molecular formula but they have different structural formula due to the difference in mode of linkage of carbon atom, that is open chain or closed chain structures which are shown here, and we can say here that is the compound having same molecular formula but having same what is the positioning open chain or and cyclic structures are the ring chain isomer. तो ये एग्जांपल इसमें दिया है, उससे क्लियर हो जाएगा. कंपाउंड हैव द फार्मूला C3H6, C3H6. तो मोड ऑफ लिंकेज आर डिफरेंट. ये देखो ये प्रोपीन है, डबल बॉन्ड है, 3 कार्बन है, प्रोपेन, प्रोपेन का हो गया प्रोपीन डबल बॉन्ड होने से, तो दिस इज प्रोपीन. C3H6, C3 एंड H6 आ गया। इसको अपन ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं साइक्लोप्रोपेन, 3 कार्बन है और 6 हाइड्रोजन है, तो ये ओपन चेन और दिस इज दी साइक्लिक, तो देयरफॉर इट इज नोन एज रिंग चेन आइसोमेरिज्म। अनदर एग्जांपल C4H8, तो ये देखो C4H8 ब्यूटीन, 1 ब्यूटीन, 1 पे क्या है डबल बॉन्ड, तो इसका नाम है 1 ब्यूटीन। ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं ब्यूट 1 इन, मतलब डबल बॉन्ड कहाँ पे, कार्बन 1। इसको इस टाइप से भी लिख सकते हैं, ये देखो साइक्लोब्यूटेन, तो यहाँ पे CH2 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 4 कार्बन और 8 हाइड्रोजन, तो ओपन चेन और दी चेन और दी रिंग, तो सच आइसोमर इज नोन एज रिंग चेन आइसोमरिज्म। इसको इस टाइप से भी दिखा सकते हैं CH2 CH2 कार्बन एंड हियर is the CH3CH, number of atoms are same, so this is another structure methyl cyclopropane. So in this way, another one more example, C compound, third example, C3H4 represent propyne, this is the structure of chain, and it can also be represented in the way cyclopropene, one double bond is there, तो cyclopropene और propyne आदि। so ये अलग अलग 3 एग्जाम्पल इसमें दिए हैं, ये this is the formula, second and third. So such isomers are known as ring chain isomerism. So mode of linkage of the carbon atom are different, so open chain or the ring. Number 6 are there tautomerisms, and as we know what is tautomers, so in case of tautomerism, this is a special type of functional isomerism where isomer exists simultaneously in dynamic equilibrium with each other. So this is the special type of functional isomerism where isomers exist simultaneously in dynamic equilibrium with each other. Acetyl acetone exists in 2 forms, that is keto form and enol form. In tautomerism, 1,3 migration of hydrogen atom from one polyvalent atom to other within the same molecule can take place, and isomers obtained in this way, they exist in a dynamic equilibrium with each other, and such isomers are known as tautomer, and the phenomena is known as the tautomerism. Most important is the keto-enol tautomerism, and in this type the one form contain keto group and other contain enolic group. Example is given here. This is the one example, acetaldehyde, and this is the vinyl alcohol. This contain keto group, ketone form, and this is the enolic form. So acetaldehyde, here ketonic form, so it is known as keto form. Formula is same, but equilibrium structure is shown here, CH2, CH and OH. So this is known as vinyl alcohol. This is enolic form because OH is present. So in keto, CO group is there, in enolic OH groups are there. And another example, acetone, which also contain dimethyl ketone, or acetone, which contain ketonic group. And here this same formula can be represented propene 1,2-ol, so enolic form, OH is here. So this is the arrangement, and 2 isomers are possible in both the case. So such type of isomer is known as tautomerisms. One contain keto form, other contain enol form. One more examples are given here, acetoacetic ester. This is the reactive methylene group, and this is known as 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. This is the keto form, ketonic group is there, and here it can also be shown in a different way, that is H from this is shifted here, and here is a hydrogen bond with the oxygen, and in this way rearrangement is there, and it contains OH group, see, enolic group. So formula is same. This is acetic ester, can also be represented in enolic form in this way. This is the ketonic form, and this is enol form. In the similar way, acetyl acetone, this is the acetyl group, this is acetone, CH3COCH3, hydrogen replaced by acetyl group, acetyl acetone, and it shows the equilibrium in this way. And again now H is here, and this is the OH, that is the enolic form. So this is keto form, and this is enolic form. So these are the different structures, examples of the tautomers. So one form contain keto group, and other contain the enol group. So keto form and enol form, that is known as the keto-enol tautomerisms are there. So these are the 6 structural isomerism. So today we stop here, and remaining stereoisomerism we will discuss in the next part.